Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the HP DreamColor monitor and I'm going to tell you where can you easily manage and how to manage PIP, picture-in-picture mode. First click on this button which is in the back of your monitor in the bottom right corner. Click this button and click it once again. Scroll down to image, click this once again, and the first option you will see is PIP, which is picture-in-picture. Click on this once again and you can enable PIP using just a single click. Now our PIP is enabled and we can scroll down this to PIP mode. We have here picture-in-picture or 2x1 dual split PVP. You can't see it is this, but we have our picture-in-picture mode on our monitor. We can change our PIP mode from picture-in-picture to 2.2x1 dual split. As you can see now, you can see some black things here, and only here we have our display. So let's enable picture-in-picture for a moment. And here we have assign inputs. We can enter it, and here we have set primary port, which can be HDMI, USB-C video or DisplayPort. Here we have set secondary, USB-C video, DisplayPort and HDMI. Here we can swap primary / secondary. We can check it by clicking only. And that's it from assigning inputs. We can go back and here we can see below that assign inputs PIP DP out. Let's click on it and here we have DisplayPort and USB Type-C video. We can switch between these two too. Here we have PIP size, so let's click on it. We can enlarge our PIP, so let me enlarge this PIP so that you can see this on the camera. As you can see, here is our PIP, and we can reduce our PIP using this button. You can hold it or just click once to change it slightly. If you scroll down too, you can see set to maximum size here and set to minimum size here. Here below that we can see set to default size and that's all for PIP size. We can go back to PIP position. Let's click on PIP position and here we have top left corner, top right corner, bottom left corner and bottom right corner. We can go back and here on the bottom we can see reset PIP settings. So let's click on it and with this we can reset our PIP settings. And as you can see now our PIP is disabled. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.